Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to install Gemma 4. But first, I have some big, exciting news for the channel, and I wanted to talk to you all about it directly in this video. If you noticed a slight change in the intro and outro today, that's intentional. We are making a strategic and massive upgrade. My current name was too general, and because my daily life and work have kept me incredibly busy, I realized that I couldn't sustain a channel that tried to cover everything. To give you the high-quality, focused content you deserve, we need a clearer identity. That's why we are officially rebranding to Alberto's Tech Stack. What to expect with Alberto Tech Stack? Focused tutorials on modern frameworks, real-world tech architecture and solutions, in-depth explorations of technical concepts. Thank you, truly, to every single supportive subscriber. This pivot allows me to focus on what I love and what I know how to teach. Hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out. The new tech journey begins soon. Let's go back to Gemma 4. So what is Gemma 4? Google's brand new, fully open source model. It's not just another chatbot, it's a multimodal powerhouse that can see, hear, and think, all running directly on your own hardware. Because it's under the Apache 2.0 license, it's totally free for life. Whether you're running it on a high-end gaming rig, a MacBook, or even your smartphone, you get total privacy and professional-grade performance without paying any API fees. You can also run it locally on your computer. Okay guys, first we need to download and install Ollama. Just go to any browser and type Ollama in the search bar. You'll see Ollama downloads. Click on it. There are 3 options, but if you're on Windows, just choose Download for Windows. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. There guys, our download is finished. Double-click this installer, then just wait for the installation to complete. It's easy to install. Just wait until it's done. After that, a new window will pop up. Ignore it for now. What we need to do is install the model through CMD. In CMD, type Ollama-version to check what version we installed. We got version 2.0.5. Now go back to the website in your browser to install the model. Click on Models. Click Gemma 4. Then you'll see the latest release. Click on it. Copy the command, then paste it into CMD to install the model. Once you paste and press Enter, it will start downloading. It's downloading for me now. It might take a while because my internet is slow. So guys, when you see this writing manifest success, the download is done. We can open Ollama again. Here, there's a new chat button. Just click it. Okay guys, then under the search bar, click the drop-down arrow. You'll see a lot of models here. Some of the models here need you to sign in. The one we downloaded is Gemma 4E4B. To confirm, let's go back to the website real quick. Yes, that's Gemma 4E4B, the one we just downloaded. There, guys, let's just select this Gemma 4E4B, then we'll type something to test it. So, step by step of cooking eggs. Let's see how fast it generates the step-by-step procedure for cooking eggs. So guys, its thinking is done now. Number one is how to fry eggs. It has step-by-step instructions showing everything step by step. Number two is how to make scrambled egg. There, it even shows the equipment and the step-by-step instructions. Number three, how to boil egg. It also shows the equipment and ingredients, plus the step-by-step instruction. And here's the quick reference guide. Look at this, guys. It's really good. It'll be a huge help for you, and it's completely free. Plus, it's open source. Guys, it's actually pretty fast, maybe around 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes. Guys, Gemma 4 is really good. It's basically like ChatGPT if you're familiar with it. Okay, guys, now we're going to test if it can analyze an image. We'll upload a photo and see if it can identify it correctly. I have the image here on my desktop. Let's ask it, what is this image? We'll see if it recognizes the photo and how fast it responds. There, guys, it already generated the answer. Just so you know, this is real time. I'm not fast forwarding anything so you can see exactly how fast it actually is. By the way, it's also using your VRAM and system memory, so if your PC is a bit slow, it might take longer to generate. I'm using i9 CPU with RTX 4070, 8 gigabytes of NVRAM, and 32 gigabytes of system RAM. There, it's finished. It only took about 1 minute or around 45 seconds, and it already recognized the image right away. Now we'll test if it can generate an image. Let's type here, generate an image of a monkey. Let's press enter. It's thinking now, analyzing our request. Unfortunately, guys, right now it still can't generate an image. Instead, it gave us three prompt options, like text-to-image prompts. It says here, just copy and paste to your preferred image generator. So as of now, it can't generate images yet. Maybe in the next update, when they add a new model, it will be able to. And notice, it only took around 7.5 seconds to respond. So guys, right here, if you click this little down arrow, you'll see other models. You can try this one, but you still need to download it from website. When you download it, it's exactly the same process as when we downloaded our first model. Okay guys, that's it for my video for now. Hope you enjoyed it and that this simple video actually helped you out. This tool is really good. If the model gets a new update, I'll let you know. For now, that's all for this video. If you're new here and you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. And if you liked the video, drop a comment and give it a like. Thanks guys, that's it for this one. See you in the next.